Tonight on Cartoon Network's Fridays, we've got a brand new episode of Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, along with special Valentine shows all night. Plus, love is in the air and Tara has a secret admirer. Ooh! It all starts tonight at 7 on Fridays, only on Cartoon Network.